Welcome back. So in this session, we are going to solve a series of linear equations in one variable. So let's begin with examples. Solve the following linear equations. And check the result. So A, we have 6x plus 1 is equals to 2x plus 9. Now, to solve this equation, we'll collect like terms. So solution is a 6x. Now 2x, when you close the equal sign, becomes minus, equals to, right hand side will have 9, and then take positive 1 to the right hand side, so we'll have negative 1. So 6x minus 2x is 4x, 9 minus 1 is 8. So dividing both sides by 4, gives 4x, we divide by 4, we divide by 4, and clearly 4 and 4 cancels out. 4 divides 8 twice, so which implies x equals to 2. So that is part 1 of solving. But then to check the result, we have to confirm that where this x when replaced by 2, then both sides will give the same number. So check. Left-hand side, we have 6, where this x we put 2 plus 1. So this will give us 8 plus 1, which is 9. And then right-hand side of this equation is given by 2x plus 9. So we'll have 2 times 2 plus. So remember, this is 6 by 2 is 12. So 12 plus. So 6 by 2 is 12 plus 1, 13. So this is 12 plus 1, which is 13. And then right-hand side is 2x plus 9. So 2 by 2 plus 9. 2 by 2 is 4. 4 plus 9, which is 13. Now, since left-hand side equals to right-hand side equals to 13, then x equals to 2 is the solution. So that's how we do the checking. Second one, x minus 5 equals to 4. Now, what we do for this case, we'll have x and then take minus 5 to the right-hand side, so we'll have plus. So this will give us x equals to 4 plus 9, 4 plus 5 is 9. Now to check our left-hand side is x minus 5. So x we are claiming is 9, so it's 9 minus 5, which is 4. And right-hand side of the equation is given by 4. So clearly, left-hand side equals to 4, which is equals to right-hand side. So therefore, x equals to 9 is the solution. Next problem is three into x minus 2 is equals to 9. This is C. So the first thing, you open the brackets. So you'll have 3 by x is 3x. 3 by minus 2 is minus 6, equals to 9. So 3x, take minus 6 to the right-hand side. So we'll have 9 plus 6. So 3x, 9 plus 6 is 15. Now dividing both sides by 3 gives, so 3x equals to 15, divide by 3, divide by 3. So 3, 1, 3, 15, 5. So this implies x equals to 5. Now to check, we have left-hand side will be 3 into where there's x put 5 minus 2, which will be 3 into 5 minus 3. 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 by 3 is 9. Right-hand side, by definition, is given by 9. So clearly, left-hand side equals to right-hand side, which is 9. So therefore, x equals to 5 is the solution. D, x over 2 is equals to 5. So to solve this, first we multiply both sides by 2. We'll have x equals to 10. So then, which means, or I can show that one by saying x over 2, just to show some steps. X over 2 multiplied by 2, 5 times 2. So which means x equals to 5 by 2 is 10. And left-hand side on checking will be 10 over 2, which is 5. Right-hand side is actually given by 5 from the equation. So clearly, left-hand side equals to right-hand side equals to 5. Hence, x equals to 10 is the solution. Now, next question. Solve these two. Solve the following equations. So A, the equation is 3x minus 7 equals to 9x plus 5. So first we collect like terms. So we'll say 3x, 9x crossing the equal sign will be minus, equals to 5. Now minus 7 will be plus 7. So 3x minus 9x is minus 6x equals to 12. So to get x, we'll have negative 6 over minus 6 equals to 12 over minus 6. which means that x will be given by -2. So this is the solution to that given equation. B, the problem is 4 into 2x minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 4 equals to 3 into x minus 3 minus 1. Let's check the result. Solution. We'll have, open the brackets first. So we'll have 4 by 2x is 8x. 4 by minus 3 is minus 12. Minus 2 by x is minus 2x. Minus 2 by minus 4 is positive 8. Equals to 3 by x is 3x. 3 by minus 3 is minus 9. Then minus 1. So collect like terms. So we'll have 8x minus 2x minus 12 plus 8 equals to 3x minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10. Now 8x minus 2x is 6x. Minus 12 plus 8 is minus 4. Equals to 3x minus 10. So collect like terms. So 6x minus 3x equals to minus 10. Now positive 4. 6x minus 3x is 3x equals to minus 6. So dividing through by 3, so which means x is equals to minus 2 as the solution to that given problem. Next question, that was BC. 4 over x minus 3 plus 2 over x equals to 6 over x minus 5. So the first thing, let's get the denominator, the LCM of the denominators. So this would be simply x times x minus 3 times x minus 5. So LCM of denominators is simply x times x minus 3 times x minus 5. So multiply both sides by the LCM. So I'll have x into x minus 3, x minus 5. You multiply by 4 over x minus 3 plus 2 over x equals to x into x minus 3, x minus 5 multiplied by 6 over x minus 5. There's no mistake by putting those brackets. So with this, this cancels with this, so that we have multiplying this by this first term, x minus 3 cancels this x minus 3, so we'll have x into x minus 5, and then times this 4, plus multiplying this term by this LCM, x and x will cancel out, so we'll have x minus 3, x minus 5 times 2, and then equals to this and this cancels out, so we have x into x minus 3 times 6. So this is the same as 4x into x minus 5 plus 2 into x minus 3, x minus 5 equals to 6x into x minus 3. So 4x by x is 4x squared. 4x by minus 5 is minus 20x plus 2x, I'm multiplying 2 by everything inside this bracket, minus 6 times x minus 5 into 6x by x is 6x squared minus 18x. So next step, we open this bracket. So 4x squared minus 20x. 2x by x is 2x squared. 2x by minus 5 is minus 10x. Minus 6 by x is minus 6x. Minus 6 times minus 5 is positive 30 equals to 6x squared minus 18x. So collect like terms, 4x squared plus 2x squared. So I've done it with this and this. Then minus 20x minus 10x minus 6x plus 30 equals to 6x squared minus 18x. So 4x squared plus 2x squared is 6x squared minus 20x minus 10x minus 6x will give us minus 36x plus 30 equals to 6x squared minus 18x. So 6x squared cancels out. So this and this cancels out. So we have minus 36x plus 30 equals to minus 18x. So I take this one to the right hand side. So I have 30 equals to minus 18x plus 36 minus 18x plus 36 is 18x equals to 30. So to get x, I divide through by 18. So x 30 divided by 18 is 5 over 3. Cos 6 divided 35, 18, 3. So that would be a solution to that given equation. That was CD. We have three over t minus 2 equals to 4 divided by 3t plus 4. So cross multiply. So we have 3 into 3t plus 4 equals to 4 into t minus 2. So open brackets. So 9t plus 12 equals to 4t minus 8. And then collect like terms. So 9t minus 4t equals to minus 8 minus 12. So 5t equals to minus 20. So dividing through by 5, we'll have 5t over 5 equals to minus 20 over 5, which implies t will be minus 4. So -4 is the correct answer to that given problem. And then E, a minus 5 squared equals to 4 plus a plus 3, a minus 2. So what we do in this case is to open brackets. So this will be a minus 5. Square means an expression or a number multiplied by itself by a times a minus 5. 4 plus a by a is a squared, or this can just be written as a into a minus 2, and then plus 3 into a minus 2. So this is the same as a into a minus 5 minus 5 into a minus 5 equals to 4. A by a is a squared, a by minus 2 is minus 2a, plus 3a minus 6. Now this will give us a squared minus 5a minus 5a minus 5 by minus 5 is plus 25 equals to a squared minus 2a plus 3a is positive a, 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So this will give us a squared minus 5a minus 5a is minus 25a plus 20 minus 10a and then plus 25 equals to a squared plus a minus 2. Clearly, a squared cancels out. So this and this cancels out. So we have minus 10a plus 25 equals to a minus 2. Collecting like terms, take negative 10a to the right-hand side and take minus 2 to the left-hand side. We'll have 25 plus 2 equals to a plus 10a. 25 plus 2 is 27 equals to 11a. So dividing through by 11 gives 27 over 11 equals to 11 a over 11. So which means a is nothing but 27 over 11. So that's how we solve that particular problem. And then lastly, that was number EF. If you are given y over 3 minus 4y plus 1 divided by 2 equals to y minus 5 over 6. So usually the best way to solve such a problem is to get the LCM of the denominator and multiply by each of the term in the equation. So this can be written as y over 3 minus 4y plus 1 over 2. Now this can be written as y over 1 minus 5 over 6. So we have LCM of 3, 2, 1, and 6 is 6 of these denominators. So we'll multiply both sides by the LCM, i.e., we'll have 6 into y over 3 minus 4y plus 1 over 2 equals to 6y over 1 minus 5 over 6. And always it's good to write the LCM on the left-hand side so that whenever there's a negative sign, you don't confuse the signs. So 6 by y over 3 will be 2y. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so we'll have minus 3 into 4y plus 1. These brackets are very key so that you don't confuse the signs. 6 divided by 1 is 6, so we'll have 6y. 6 divided by 6 is 1, so this just be minus 5. So remember, this number is affecting this term and this term. Similarly, this 6 affects this term and this term. So 2y minus 3 by 4y is minus 12y. Minus 3 times plus 1 is minus 3. So this is very key. If you don't put these brackets, you can actually mess this sign and get a wrong answer. Equals to 6y minus 5. 2y minus 12y is minus 10y. Minus 3 equals to 6y minus 5. Now collect like terms, so I can take minus 10y to the right-hand side and minus 5y to the left-hand side. So I'll have minus 3 plus 5, 6y plus 10y. Minus 3 plus 5 is 2, 6y plus 10y is 16y. So dividing both sides by 16, we get 2 over 16 equals to 16y over 16, which gives y to be 1 over 8. So 16, 1, 1, 1, and then 8. So therefore, y equals to 1 over 8 is the solution to that problem. Thank you.